Hello. Many would argue that SpeedGrader is probably one of the greatest features of Canvas that makes grading so easy in this program. So what I have on the screen right now is a sample assignment that was given to some students where it was a close reading. So the actual assignment itself is worded up here. Here is the link to the actual PDF file so that the kids could read the article. And they were actually asked to create a Google document. So they will be submitting their work on a Google Doc in Canvas. So in that Google Doc, they're going to answer these couple of questions, respond to things. It's worth 20 points. Then they're submitting a file upload. So it's set up that I want them to submit a file upload. And there's even a rubric tied to this. So we have some students that have submitted this work, and you'll notice you have a SpeedGrader tab up here. So it'll tell you how many have been graded, and here's SpeedGrader. So when you click on the SpeedGrader button, you'll get another tab that'll open up the SpeedGrader feature of Canvas. So your class is still over here on this tab. You're just in a new tab here with SpeedGrader. And right here is the Google document that these students would upload. So as you go through, you'll see a list of all your students. If you've cross-listed multiple sections, you can look at one section at a time. And as a student gets graded, you'll see a check mark. And students that haven't been graded but have submitted their work, you'll see a little dot. So when we're looking at this kid's submission, right here is their document. You'll notice you have some tools here. You can zoom in and out. You can download the document. You even have some markup tools here. So this is really nice. You could actually do like a highlight. So you could highlight something if you wanted to. And you could tie a comment to it. So you could leave a comment here, write whatever you want to, and when the kid comes back into Canvas and looks at this, they'll be able to see what you had marked up and commented on. You can just do a general text box on something here. So I can just highlight in here and type something in, if you wanted to do something with it. You got strikeouts, you've got so many different options in here that you can do things to mark up their drawing. You can even do different colors, different line thicknesses, whatever you want to do, and add another comment to it. So you can do all of this for their work, and then come over here, and I'm going to make this side panel a little bit bigger so I can see the rubrics. Now you can just type in a number here if you want to give them a grade, or you can actually use the rubric that you assigned to this. I'll make this a little wider yet, but you'll see that you can just go through and you can click whatever you think he should have for certain points. Hit the save button, and you'll see the actual grade that you've assigned down here at 12 points. But you still need to come up to this box and type in 12. That's one thing I wish Canvas would fix, that when you give a grade in the rubric, it will automatically give a grade up here. And then you just click to the next one. If we come back, you'll see that that student is now graded and check marked. And that's really about it for SpeedGrader. SpeedGrader is a really, really nice feature. If you went over here and looked at the grades for your students, that assignment will show up in here as graded. And the students can also see their own results as they go through. So SpeedGrader is a nice feature. Give it a try. Thanks a lot.